Disabling two-factor authentication on your Temu account can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Temu app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings, look for a section labeled security or privacy. Click on this section to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or button to disable this feature. Click on it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes and ensure that two-factor authentication is fully disabled. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Temu account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.